Hello and welcome to another DIY kit video. This time it's going to be the Mocha Soda DIY kit. We're making little mochi balls in soda flavors. I'm gonna go ahead and open the packaging. Now it is only one flavor. It's not multiple flavors. I did say flavors. It's just one. And let's go ahead and see what's inside the packaging. Okay, so we have the 3 little packets to make the mochi. Then we have our container, a plastic container with a little shovel to mix with. Now, the first step is going to be separating these 2 little parts. One is going to be our mixing solution, and then the other one is going to make the actual mochi. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to get these packets out of the way so you guys can see a little better. Hold on just a sec. I'm going to go ahead and grab you guys a better angle. Okay, so the first step is to add water to container number 1 to the fill line. Okay, and we are adding the green packet to that first fill line. Okay, and we have the stirring tool. Okay, so next we go ahead and evenly fill the tray with the mixture.
Okay.
And then we go ahead and open the red/pink packet. They refer, yep, it's a pink packet, and we add this to our liquid. So next step is going to be fill line 2 with water. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And then we add the last packet into that and stir. And once again, we're going to stir this up. This is definitely a very interesting jelly consistency, which is very interesting. almost like a slime kind of consistency. And once that is all mixed up, we place this on top of each of the mochis. Okay. Okay, so this is actually the sauce. We're glazing the mochi with the sauce. Now, I don't know if this is supposed to be stirred in. I'm gonna go ahead and stir it in because it says it's a glaze, but I'm just gonna go ahead and stir it around. Like I said, I didn't stir all of them around before. I didn't mix them very well. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix them now. Now that because I left it alone, I actually didn't need to stir it anymore. I mean, it's a really good consistency without stirring it really well. It kind of dissolved on its own. Okay, and of course, this is your final product. I mean, it's very cute. It's quite messy, but it's very cute. And I hope you guys like this video. I feel like that this is not the best video out there to get an understanding of this kit, but it was really fun. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching an American make Japanese DIY kit. Of course, I have a few other DIY kits out there, so if you want to go check those out, as well as unboxing videos for beauty and tech. But I really had a fun time with this kit. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.